Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another question of Olympiad. This is the exponent question in which if 5 raised to the power x plus 6 equals to 6 raised to the power x plus 5, and here we need to find the value of x. First of all, we will split this term by the law of exponent a power m plus n is equals to a power m into a power n. So we will split this term 5 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 6 equals to 6 raised to the power x. Similarly, we will split this term also 6 raised to the power 5. Now we will divide both sides by 6 raised to the power x and 5 raised to the power 6. So it will be both sides we will divide same numbers. Now it will be cancel out here and here it is cancel out. So remaining part is 5 raised to the power x upon 6 raised to the power x equals to 6 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 6. Now you can see here the power x and x both are the same in the left hand side. So can we write this 5 upon x? We will write 5 raised to the power 5 upon x whole power x and 6 raised to the power 5 and 5 raised to the power 6. Okay. Now you can see after this we will take out the log both sides, taking log both side, so it will be log 5 by 6 power x equals to log 6 power 5 power 6. So we are using the concept of log. Log concept is if the power is the x, is any power, any number power is something, so this power is come in front of log. So x log 5 by 6, and here you can see log 6 power 5 upon 5 power 6. So we will write this term as it is. Now we need to find the value of x. So x should be a single. So we will divide both sides again. Divide both sides log 5 by 6. We will divide log 5 by 6 both sides. So log 5 by 6. So divide by log 5 by 6. Here log 6 power 5 power 6 and divide by log 5 by 6. It is cancel out. So x is single. Now see x equal to right hand side is log 6 power 5 upon 5 power 6 upon log 5 by 6. Now we are using again the concept of log. If the log, which concept? Log x upon y. If log is x upon y is the divide form, so we will write log x minus log y. This term we will write log x minus log y. So similarly we can write this portion log 6 power 5 upon 5 power 6. This term how can we write? Log 6 power 5 minus log 5 power 6. So instead of this we will write this. Okay, and divide is log 5 by 6. We will write this log 5 minus log 6. So this is the value of x. X log 6 power 5 minus log 5 power 6 upon log 5 minus log 6. This is your final answer. Hope you have understood this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.